Pyro Nation, YouTubers, man, what up, what up, what up? It's Ray coming at you guys here. Of course, out here in the Pyro Cave, man, getting antsy, getting things more and more prepared, for a shoot time. Just wanting to get things ready so I'm not, rushing for time or anything like that. I got a Roman candle racks over here. One of them that's the full Roman candles, the other one that's half Roman candles and half rockets. Just fusing them up so they're ready to go. Got these ones here all 18 ready to rock. We just hit her there. I think I'm going to build another one tomorrow. I picked up all the material and stuff, like I said, just doing stuff. Ended up getting all the racks for the mine racks all painted and stuff. Those are going to be all ready to go. I put in the order to Pyro Boom for a bunch of tubes. Be getting those probably here within a week or so. Like I said, I was going to build 2 more rocket racks, so I did. Some more writing on them, of course. Made a pink one again. This one, rocket launcher. I'm painting one that's blue and a skyrocket in flight. Man, I couldn't fit skyrockets. I mean, the S just wouldn't fit on there anymore, but you guys still get the point. I don't think I pointed out last time. I don't know if you guys were able to see it all. The way I fixed these here, I used the drill, and I drilled. See if you guys can see right there. See that? I just drilled into each one, and the screw goes all the way through, and then the sticks, slide through, no problems whatsoever. And did the same down here on the bottom. Drilled them all. Pipes, so the screws go through the pipes and stuff, and then through the OSB there. It works very, very good. They're in there very, very sturdy. And like I said, the rockets slide through good as can be. Not hit nothing at all. So, all right, man. Well, you guys have a good one. Thank you very much for watching the video. Ray out.